Today we are talking about Alpha Infuse. Alpha Infuse is basically it is marketed as a hair restoration formula designed to combat thinning, strengthening follicles, and support natural hair growth. So, the big question is it legit or scam? The brand claims it can help revitalize dormant hair roots using a blend of botanical extracts, vitamins, and growth supporting compounds. It is positioned as a more neutral, non invasive option compared to prescription treatments or surgical procedures, which makes it appealing for anyone wanting a gentler approach to their hair health. One of its main selling points is the intelligent ingredient list. It typically includes things like biotin, saw palmetto, vitamin E, keratin supporting nutrients, and other compounds aimed at boosting scalp circulation and nursing follicles. The goal is to reduce breakage, thicken existing strands, and create a healthier foundation for a new growth. Moreover, some users do report improvements, things like reduced shedding, stronger hair, and a better overall texture that gives you a better health. But these results tend to be more noticeable when combined with good habits like proper scalp care, a nutrient-rich diet, and healthy lifestyle choices. However, results vary widely. While some people see gradual progress, others report minimal changes or very slow improvements. Like most over the counter hair regrowth products, consistency and patience are key. It can take several weeks or even months before visible results show up. The factors like genetics, hormones, and stress level play a huge role in hair health. So, is alpha infused hair regrowth a scam? Not necessarily. It appears to offer offer a moderate supportive option for people dealing with mild to moderate thinning, but it's not a miracle cure. It's best viewed as a part of broader hair and care routine, not a standalone instant solution. Overall, alpha-infused hair regrowth may help improve scalp vitality and encourage regrowth when used regularly, but expectations should stay realistic. Combine it with good nutrition, hydration, and stress management for best possible results. So, hope this review helps. If you find it useful, drop a like and sub. Hopefully, this video helped. Thank you.